everyone! So today I'm going to be teaching you how to make pakora and chutney. This pakora recipe can serve about 3 to 5 people. So let's start with pakora. For the pakora portion of the recipe you would need 1.5 cup of basin, which is chickpea flour, half a medium onion thinly sliced, half a cup of chopped cilantro, 1 cup of potato cut in Julian style, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1/4 teaspoon ajwain, 1 green chili chopped, and you will also need a little bit of water to make the paste. Add chickpea flour in a medium bowl, onions, cilantro, potatoes, mix together. Next, add the salt, crushed pepper, coriander powder, cumin, ajwain, green chili, and some water. Do not add too much water all at once. Add as you mix. Fry the pakoras on medium to high heat. Fry on both sides until they're golden brown. Now I'm going to teach you how to make green mint chutney. Chutney is used as a sauce for the pakora. For this recipe, you would need 5 to 6 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 bunch of cilantro chopped, about 2 to 3 cups of green mint leaves, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 garlic chopped, 2 walnuts chopped, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of water. In a blender, add walnut, garlic, green chilies, cilantro, mint leaves, yogurt, salt. Last, add water. Cover and blend everything together. Now, 2 things to note. When you are blending your chutney in the blender and it doesn't blend properly, you can add a little more water to help it blend a little more easily. And if at the end you notice that your chutney is way too runny for your liking, then you can add more yogurt to it and mix. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye now!